Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Taylor polynomials are super fast once you know the pattern. Let's find the third degree approximation for this function at 0.7 right now. First, we write the general formula for a third-degree Taylor polynomial centered at 1. This involves the function value plus the first, second, and third derivatives divided by their factorials. Next, we substitute the specific values from our table into the formula. We use the values for the function and its derivatives at x equals 1 to build our polynomial expression. Finally, we plug in 0.7 for x and calculate the result. This simple arithmetic leads us directly to 0.485.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps.